Sir, can you hear now? So we're here with your attorney, Ms. Mirage.
Yes.
Today I'm going to release you on your own recognizance. Just remind you, you're not allowed to have any contact with the alleged victim in this matter. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Mirage, anything else?
Nope, that's it, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is John Hurley. I'm your judge this afternoon. We are in first appearance court. Today is the day the court determines whether or not there's probable cause for your arrest. We're not here for a trial, not here to determine your guilt or innocence. Therefore, you do not need to tell us what did or did not occur regarding your arrest. Please save that for your attorney in a private meeting. Understand you have the right to remain silent, but if you give up that right, whatever you say today can and will be used against you. If you have a private attorney when you're called up, let me know who that is. We'll contact your attorney and let them know that you're in court today. Now, which case are you here on now?
Seth Brotman.
Okay, so we'll stand by on that. I think the attorney is going to be back here. Okay. May I see Paul Willard? Paul Willard, please come forward. Mr. Willard, you've been charged with domestic battery by strangulation.
We have an argument.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
Judge, I reviewed the probable cause affidavit. The allegation by the alleged victim is that he choked her and slapped her. However, the arresting officer noted no visible injuries on the alleged victim. The alleged victim also tried to claim that Mr. Willard had slapped and choked his parents, both of whom were on the scene, neither of whom corroborated the statements made by the alleged victim. The alleged victim seems to be making a lot of allegations and nothing to back it up, Judge. There is no cooperation where there should be. I would argue there is no probable cause to hold him on these charges. I would ask the court to release him on his own recognizance based on the lack of evidence in the probable cause affidavit.
The court does note your argument. However, the court will, based on reading this probable cause affidavit, will find probable cause. Stated, is there a criminal record?
No criminal record, Judge.
No criminal record. Was there contact with
There was no contact, Your Honor.
Okay, do you want to say anything on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Miller?
Judge, he's a lifetime resident with strong family ties. He has a job working at TGI Fridays. He's had that job for about 2 years. He does have a place to stay, separate and apart from the alleged victim in this case. Not sure who's going to help bond him out. We'll need a phone order if he's to call anyone. And we're also going to need a photo order to document the injuries he received at the hands of the alleged victim in this case. Again, I would ask the court to consider ROR in this case.
Mr. Willard, do you have family here in South Florida?
Yes, sir.
Who do you have?
I have my mother and all my sisters and my stepfather.
Okay, all right. Sir, I'm going to set your bond on count 1 at $5,000. I'm going to set count 2 at $1,500. Total bond today is going to be $6,500 based on the facts of the case, the level of violence and the court's concern to the safety of the alleged victim. The court will order that you have no contact, directly or indirectly, with Ruth Esther Cadet. No contact with Ruth Cadet, directly or indirectly. Don't call her, text her, or email her. Stay 500 feet from her at all times. That is where she lives, works, goes to school. You're not allowed to possess any guns, any firearms, any other weapon while you're on release. Thank you very much, sir. May I see Samantha
Judge,
Williams?
we need a photo order and a phone order for Mr. Willard, please. And if I may have a brief recess, I need to address these defendants.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, we're ready to go. May I see Samantha
Yes,
Williams?
Judge. Samantha Williamson. Samantha Williamson. Absolutely. Judge, Ms. Williamson is declining the public defender. However, I would argue, as a friend of the court, that there was no real witness in this probable cause affidavit.
Just wanted the court to take note that it said there was a crash, but they charged her with 3 additional counts of DUI with property damage.
You get assistance from the government, Social Security, unemployment, workman's comp.
Crash with injuries.
That's fine, Judge. I don't mind coming back on it.
No, no,
See?
in the background part.
Eric Linder.
Not that's unacceptable, that's how you do it. Individually circled.
Hey, let me ask you
Open
something.
the mouth back, you're gonna spit out the application. Keep going.
Okay. State, I agree with the defense. There's no problem.
Hold another minute max. You're not going to go little.
Ma'am, today I can leave your bond at 500 on count 1,
Can I get a cell
1,000
number
on
for
2,
you
3,
where
4,
if
and
there's
5.
any problem, I'll give you a call back?
And we'll come back tomorrow. If you don't bond out, we're going to find out whether they can perfect this charge against you. All right, ma'am? Thank you.
Okay, and just
Okay, what about Shavonna Tyson?
Decline PD. Medical reset.
Med reset, okay.
Dora?
Let me ask, were there any priors on this?
She was just arrested on January 14th for possession of PVP. That was just,
2 days ago.
114-16, and that's PVP?
Yes, Your Honor.
they took
Is that
it
open?
back.
Yes.
This case number?
He pulled out the gun. Yeah.
16552, CF today.
But I just wanted to run that and let you know. So let me
Okay, can I have an order? I'm going to revoke her bond at 16552 CF10. I'm going to reset this matter for tomorrow PM and advise her of same. There you go.
I will.
Okay, may I see Dora
Thank you, Detective.
Matir Garcia? Ma'am, burglary with a battery. And Steve, are you still going to hold the defendant without bond?
Your Honor, what I would ask is if the court would consider resetting this for the morning. I have a call out to the alleged victim. I do believe the evidence satisfies proof evident or presumption great based on what the victim informed law enforcement and the surveillance video from this store, from the convenience store that they watched, that the defendant struck the victim through the vehicle, and then when she couldn't open the door, she climbed to the back seat and continued to attack the victim. I was hoping to speak with the alleged victim to get her thoughts on this matter. I reached her mother, who is going to pass along my information and have her contact me, but unfortunately, since I only got the report around 12:15, 12:30, I haven't been able to.
We're going to reset this matter for tomorrow PM. PM doc.
Judge, we have no objection. Thank you. We do need a photo order for Miss Martina Garcia, though.
Okay, we'll order that. Thank you. How about,
Thank you.
we're going to skip that. Or how about Marcus Clervin?
Judge Mike Gottlieb is Mr. Clervin's attorney.
Okay, do we know if Mike Gottlieb has been contacted?
We don't know that, Judge.
Do you happen to have Gottlieb's telephone number?
I can get it.
Here.
Stand by. Sir, your bond's $1,000. I just talked to your attorney and he's aware of it. Thank you. How about Terrence Truppin? Truppin, count 1 is petty theft, and count 2 is a probation violation. And court's going to set your bond today at $750. Count 2, that's a no bond hold out of another county. All right, sir? Thank you. How about Rodney Robinson?
My college probation should be at Broward County.
Well, I think it originated out of another county. But
At Okeechobee.
that's where you have to go to the violation, not Broward. All right? Thank you.
I have to go to Okeechobee.
Danny Posada?
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay, so this is robbery with firearm, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon,
and
2 counts of battery, possession of an weapon or ammunition by a convicted felon. Resisting arrest.
Your Honor, the state is not going to be seeking a no bond hold. It is my belief, upon reading the probable cause affidavit, that this is at most this is would be an attempted robbery. So he would not be he cannot be held in a bond.
Find probable cause for an attempt on count 1. State, does he have
Hello.
does he have any priors?
Yes.
They live with you? Put a 0 press
Yes, I
hard.
gotta go. Bye.
4.
Your Honor, he is currently out right now. Well, first, I just want to advise the court. He, from what my records show, he's been adjudicated delinquent in the past, and that's what satisfies count 5. He is out on. Just want to be accurate. He's out on bond right now for grand theft auto, fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement, and operating a motor vehicle or a motorcycle without a valid license.
What's the case number?
1513872 CF10A.
Mr. Miller, anything you want to say on behalf of this defendant?
Mike's not on. Judge?
Okay,
What time?
I don't think your mic's on, Mr. Miller. There you go.
But you don't hit the button and no one hears you.
Yeah, I know. Button. I have to button.
No, I was saying.
Lifetime resident with strong family ties. He's currently unemployed. He has no money in the bank to post a bond. He is a registered voter here in Broward County. He's going to ask his family to bond him out. We're going to ask in the court for a photo order for him so that he can document his injuries.
Sir, count 1's an attempted robbery, and this allegedly happened at Atlantic liquor stores. Allegedly, you pulled out a firearm when they wanted to get their bottle of alcohol back. You allegedly spit in the face of deputies. So I'm gonna, sir, I'm gonna set your bond today on count 1, the attempted robbery at $10,000, and battery on the police officers on, you see, aggravated assault on count 2. That's going to be $10,000, $1,000 on 3 and 4, and possession of a weapon by a convicted felon. It's going to set that at $5,000, count 6 at $1,000. So your total bond is $25,600, $7,000, $28,000. And the court will revoke your bond on 15-13872. CF10, you're going to be held without bond until further order of the court. Thank you, sir.
No victim contact, Judge?
No contact with anyone from Atlantic Liquors. Thank you.
All right, good luck. Down the middle, please. Out the door. Go down the middle, please. The relay is present at the main. He's declined the PD, Judge.
Sir, carrying a concealed firearm. Court finds probable cause. Sir, how long have you lived down here in South Florida?
I lived out here for 5 years.
And are you currently employed?
Yes, I am now.
What type of work do you do?
I used to work at Panera Bread.
Okay. Do Do you have any money in the bank?
No, I don't, sir.
Okay. Do you still live on Wiley Street in Hollywood?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a unit number or an apartment, or is that a house?
It's a house.
Okay, I'm gonna release you on your own recognizance today. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Here we go, Mr. Okay, Noah Emadera, I don't know.
I don't know why I'm standing with that.
Armendera Ruiz Perez. Hello, sir. Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Okay, you've been charged with municipal ordinance and trespassing. So would you, let me ask you, you currently employed?
Yes, sir.
You are or not?
Yes, sir. I work at Riverside Market.
All right, and do you have any money in the bank?
No.
Do you have any financial means to hire your own attorney?
I don't.
Would you like me to give you a free attorney today, a special public defender to help you out?
Yeah.
Okay, so,
Please.
Mr. Shea,
Noah.
if he wants to plead no contest, case is over with today.
That's fine, Judge. I've never seen it before.
You want to plead no contest today and the case is over with, sir?
Yes.
You understand, we're not gonna have a trial, you're not gonna have your day in court, it's wrapped up right now, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how do you plead, sir?
To be honest with you, I don't know exactly no contest.
Well, hold it. You're charged with trespassing. You
What's
understand
that?
You're charged with trespassing.
Yes, I understand.
Do you still want to plead no contest?
Yeah.
Let me, just take a step forward. Just take a step forward. I'm getting the impression that you're reluctant or you're confused or people are telling you what to do over there and you're not really sure what to do. So.
Okay, I'll be honest. I don't know what contest means.
No contest. It's kind of like guilty, but you're saying you're not admitting to it. You just want to get it over with. Where guilty means you're saying, Judge, I did it. I'm guilty. I knew. You know, there's a difference.
You're not saying you did it, you're not saying you didn't do it, you just want to get it over with.
So, do you want to plead no contest? That means the case is over with today. Do you understand that? Is that what you want to do?
You have to answer out loud.
Okay. So I'll accept that. I'll withhold adjudication. Thank you, sir.
Straight out to the outside.
All right, what about Julian Parkinson?
Hey, David, it's Eric.
What's he being held on?
North Broward, Your Honor, North Broward.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Parkinson, you're here for sleeping on city property, trespassing. Didn't I appoint a lawyer for you the other day?
Williamson.
Huh?
Did I give you a free attorney the other day?
No.
No? Do we know what count one
No.
is on Mr. Parkinson? Well, he's been in jail for a few days, I believe. I believe so. I don't know what count one is.
Well, whatever. And I have till tomorrow afternoon. And you got my cell after all these years. Thanks, Dave. I appreciate it. All right, bye.
Possible somebody could tell me. Somebody look it up for me on the computer and just
What am I looking at?
tell me what count one is. Julian Parkinson. Count one.
What's the charge?
What's his charge?
Why is it, it's trespassing. have on the waiting program, and then count 2 and 3 is already RR.
Was he sent to learn a rent?
Says RR.
No.
All right, so, sir, would you like me to appoint?
You had him this morning, RR count 1 and 2.
No.
2 and 3, I'm sorry. And then count 1, she had it in.
Well, whoever put that in the computer was wrong. I didn't release them on count 2 and 3. Okay, sir, do you have any money in the bank?
No, sir. No, sir.
How long have you lived down here in South Florida, sir?
79.
Do you have any money to hire your own attorney?
No.
Do you want me to give you a free attorney today?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Judge,
Mr. Shate, you're on the case.
Judge, just to let you know what's going on, he was scheduled for a status on the 12th on his state charge in front of Judge Lerner Wren. I guess he then ended up the next day in front of Judge Solomon on the 13th. She signed an order on that date ordering BSO to transport him to Broward Outreach.
Yeah.
Did he resolve the case
Yeah.
on the 13th? No?
I don't think so.
Sir, would you like to plead no contest today to these 2 charges? And they'll
Yes,
be
sir.
over with today?
Yes, sir. No contest, sir.
You understand we're not going to have a trial? You're not going to have your day in court? They're wrapped up
No,
right
sir.
now?
Okay, sir.
How do you plead, sir?
No contest.
I'll withhold adjudication. Thank you. How about
Okay, sir.
Brad
Thank you.
Rifenberg? Brad Rifenberg.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rifenberg, you're charged with a municipal ordinance violation, drinking in public. Rifenberg, are you currently working?
No, sir.
Do you have money in the bank?
No.
You want me to give you a free attorney today to help you in this hearing?
Sure. Yes, sir.
I'll give you Mr. Shate. Mr. Shate, if he wants to plead no contest, I know he has a criminal record. If he wants to plead no contest, case will be over with today. He's not going to have a trial. It's wrapped up right now.
That's fine, Judge.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, sir. But could I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
I have another same open container for this month. I'm wondering if I could dispose of it on this date as well. I'm gonna be out of town on the date of my next court date, and I don't know how to do it properly.
Well, what you should do is write a letter to, well, you know what?
When he gets out, he can contact the clerk of courts.
Well, when you get out, why don't you contact your attorney?
Yeah, I can give you a phone number. Sir, do you have a,
Can somebody write down Mr. Shade's telephone number over there? Go ahead.
Go for it.
954-728-3477.
954-728-3477.
Perfect, thanks, Dale.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, sir, you want to plead no contest today?
Yes, sir. I'd like to plead no contest.
Okay, I'm going to withhold adjudication. Call your attorney as soon as you get out of jail regarding that other case, all right?
Ask him to waive court costs.
Can you waive court costs, please?
Not today, sir. I'm going to leave it the way it is. Thank you.
Ask him for time to pay.
Can I have time to pay?
Mr. Shade,
Yeah, he can
you
have
want to
time.
have time to pay?
He can have time to pay, but I don't think it's going to make a difference.
Thank you very much, sir. Have a nice day.
Find out how we need to keep
Okay.
Bring down outside.
I know he's one of
Let
mine.
me know.
Well, they said,
Okay,
Wellington.
Mr. Barraclough,
Yeah.
Richard Barraclough, come on up, sir.
Here comes Richard. Recognize that shuffle anyway.
Hi, Mr. Barraclough.
Hi.
Sir, you're charged with 4 misdemeanors, quick finds, probable cause. Let me see here.
All right, fine, thank you.
You got open container
Giving
trespass.
advice to Representative.
Let me ask Steve.
they don't know what to do.
Can you afford to hire your own attorney, Mr. Barraclough?
I've been
sir.
represented numerous times.
Should you? Okay. Would you like me to give you a free attorney again, Mr. Shade? He's represented you in the past.
Okay.
Okay, so, Mr. Shade, how long, can you tell me the last time Mr. Barraclough was in? If I give you his BCCN?
I'm saying
one
November.
moment.
618848. 618848.
Okay. August of last year.
Oh,
wow.
he's doing all right.
See, two,
That was November.
All right, now, okay, if Mr. Barraclough wants to resolve all these right now, just plead no contest, and they're over with today.
That's fine, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Barraclough, if you want to plead no contest, all your cases,
Yes, sir.
all 4 cases are over with. You'll not have a trial. You're not going to have your day in court. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how do you
No
plead?
contest.
Okay, I'll accept that. I'll withhold adjudication. Good luck, all right?
God bless you.
Maybe you, sir. Thank you.
That's you.
Okay.
Wellington. No, not here.
How about, David Riffle? David Riffle, you're charged with soliciting charitable contributions. And the court, it's based on a warrant. I think it's a failure to show up in court. Right. Okay, can you tell me, Mr. Riffle, if he's been in before? It's 123444. That doesn't sound right.
that's right.
Is it?
Yeah, May of last year.
For what?
Trespass.
Okay. Mr. Riffle, are you currently employed?
No, Your Honor.
Do you have any money in the bank, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right, can you afford to hire your own attorney?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, would you like me to give you a free attorney today?
Please.
Okay, I'm gonna give you Mr. Shade. Mr. Shade, he hasn't been in jail since May of last year. If he wants to plead this out, doesn't look like he's allegedly committed this before, you'd let him plead no contest. He's not gonna have his day in court. He's not gonna have his trial. However, the case will be over with today. He'll be out of jail today. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that, Mr. Riffle? Is that what you want to do?
That sounds fine to me.
Okay, how do you plead?
No contest.
Okay, Mr. Riffle, I'll withhold adjudication. Just remind you, you're not supposed to be panhandling in and around traffic, all right?
Okay.
It's a safety issue. I don't want to see you get hit by a car, all right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, what about, okay, so that's not yours.
I've dealt with him before. I'm not sure what his name was again. I've dealt with him before. I can't remember his name.
It's Dunn?
Is that Mr. Dunn?
No, it's not, but it looks like him. So, it could be Bruce Dunn, maybe it is.
Is it? Oh, Bruce.
It's Bruce Dunn.
I read the person in the middle of the
You're right.
I can't remember if that was with Fort Lauderdale or Hollywood when I dealt with him.
This is Fort Lauderdale.
No, so that's not mine anymore.
No, you don't have it.
No, tell him I said hello.
All right, I will.
That's it? Thanks, sir. Take care.
Missy DeLand Melvin.
And that could have been a lot.
The land Melvin. Now, talking, folks.
So you've been charged with robbery by sudden snatching, false ID given to the police, burglary of a dwelling, grand theft. Count 5, burglary of a dwelling. 6, grand theft. 7 and 8, violating probation.
Judge, what's a burglary of a dwelling?
9,
That's an
violating
additional
probation.
case.
10, burglary
That's
of
an
a
additional
dwelling.
case.
11, petty theft.
Sheila should have the PCs in there.
Quick finds probable cause. Do you need time to read these?
I'm not in custody, 'cause I know the jail usually has the extra PCs. You're sitting right next to him. I'm not saying give you can let him look. Come on, give me a break.
Sure.
All right.
Give this to Mr. Aaron, Mr. Thompson. Sir, have a seat. We'll call you right back up, all right?
All right. Come on, me right.
How about Tim Funches, Harrison Jones, Danny Posada?
All at one time?
All right, aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, Mr. Funches. Count 1, count 2, cocaine. Count 3, paraphernalia. Count 4, a misdemeanor, which is petty theft. Steve, do we have a criminal record on Mr. Tim Funches? Notice Tim Funche, F-U-N-C-H-E.
I don't know if he had taken off his probation.
No, I'm not on probation.
Got a person allegedly with a folding box cutter knife inside the right arm, a Trent Lamont pen.
From where? From where?
So you're not allowed to have any contact with Trent Lamont pen after this hearing. No contact directly or indirectly. Stay 500 feet from him at all times. Go ahead, Steve.
Okay. Looks like he just got out of custody October 1st of last year on a violation of probation for possession of PVP. He had a theft in 2014, a theft in 2013, possession of cocaine 2013 with the violation of probation, just over 16 and a half months state prison, grand theft 07 with the VOP, unlawful use of false name ID 07.
Okay. What happened in 2013 or 15?
Nothing. He was in custody on a VOP from his possession of cocaine and possession of PVP.
PVP.
Yeah.
The PVP is not open.
No, he was on probation till 2017. He violated.
Okay. So,
within a month.
Mr. Miller, anything you'd like to say?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Funches is a lifetime resident of South Florida with strong family ties. He's currently unemployed. He has no money in the bank with which to post a bond, and he's not sure who's going to help him out.
Okay. Sir, Mr. Bunches on count 1. We're setting your bond at $10,000. 2, cocaine, 1,000. 3, paraphernalia, 100. Count 4, that's a $500 bond not showing up in court, I believe. Right?
Wait, he's not done yet.
So count 3 is 100, 4, $500 in the court notes here. Lengthy criminal record, PVP, petty theft, grand theft, and a false name.
No victim contact.
And also the level of violence. Thank you, sir. I've already worked on it.
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Harrison Jones.
Main jail. Decline PD.
Mr. Jones, robbery by sudden snatching. Court finds probable cause. Allegedly snatched a purse of a woman
Danny Posada.
at a Winn-Dixie in Hallandale. Allegedly she was loading groceries at the time. And I believe you and a co-defendant came up and caught on surveillance video allegedly snatching a purse. Go ahead, state.
Out of Broward, 2012, possession of marijuana with intent to sell or deliver. 2011, felony possession of marijuana. Just checking to see if there's anything outside of Broward.
Mr. Jones, are you currently employed?
No, not at a time.
Are you, do you have any money in the bank?
No,
How long have you lived down here in South Florida?
all my life.
Do you have family down here?
Yes.
Who do you have?
My aunt, she's a retired nurse from Jackson, and my mother, my dad. But I stay with my aunt.
Anything else?
Possession of marijuana, 2011, out of Orlando.
Okay. Sir, based on the facts of the case, your criminal record, the court's going to set your bond, and there is a certain danger to the community too. Snatching a purse from a woman who's basically out in the parking lot.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Of a Winn-Dixie, and it does look like she was ambushed, and that gives the court some consideration concerning your bond. Yes, sir, go ahead.
Yes, they say they have me snatching a purse on surveillance. I wasn't
No,
on.
no, no. They have you,
didn't-
I believe they have you along with the person that you were helping who did snatch the purse. That's what they have on surveillance. Your bond's $7,500. Don't return to the Winn-Dixie on Hallandale Beach. No contact with Rhonda Gross. Thank you. How about Danny Posada?
Good luck. All right, thanks. Bonded.
Bonded? Okay.
I know.
Michael, come on.
Okay, you see Michael Adams.
Main jail judge, Mr. Adams was wondering if the court could advise him of what the basis of this violation is.
Signed and sworn to by Judge Bidwell. January 15, 2016. He ordered no bond. It says defendant has been on probation and
Dirty urine.
right. Analysis of urine sample came back with cocaine December 23rd, 2015.
Marijuana also.
Right. Also, urinalysis, which indicated cannabis present in your urine December 23rd, 2015. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Good luck to you, sir.
Deland Melvin. Sir, robbery by sudden snatching, count 1, false ID given to police 2. Count 3, burglary of a dwelling, 4, grand theft, 5, burglary of an unoccupied dwelling, 6, grand theft, 7 and 8, violating probation, 9, violating probation, 10. Okay, count 10, burglary of a dwelling, 11, petty theft. Are there any,
Well, he's on probation. Counts 789 are VOPs for burg dwellings.
Okay,
I can, if you want, I can check to see if there's anything else.
so he's got 3 prior burg dwellings.
Yes, Judge.
Got it. All right, Mr. Miller, anything you want to say?
Judge, he's a lifetime resident with strong family ties, currently unemployed, no money to post a bond. He'll be asking his family to bond him out once they do set a bond. We need a bond today in 1, 3, 5, and 10.
Right, so he was the co-defendant on count 1 with the other gentleman. I think the other gentleman, let me see. The co-defendant approached the victim's vehicle, which time this defendant exited the vehicle from the front passenger door, approached the victim loading her groceries inside the vehicle at a Winn-Dixie, snatched her purse from the shopping cart. The defendant was in possession of the victim's notepad when he was stopped by the police. He gave 2 false names, and it said he was under the influence of illegal narcotics at the time of the incident. That's what he said. So, and then multiple burglaries. All right, sir, the court's going to set your bond on count 1 at $7,500, same as your co-defendant, and then the court on count 2, false ID. It's going to set that bond at $1,000. Count 3, the burglary of a dwelling. The court's going to set that bond at $7,500. Count 4, grand theft, $5,000. Burglary of a dwelling on 5, $7,500. Grand theft on 6, $1,000. Violating probation on 7, 8, and 9. No bond. Burglary of a dwelling on 10, $7,500. Count 11 is $100. Court set your bond. Your bond's based on your criminal record and the facts of the case. Thank you, sir. What happened to the lawyers? You said
I have no idea. The way I figured at this point, let's go through the second docket. If they're not here, I mean, I got a detective here, so we'll
they
figure
didn't
it
be
out then.
here
Yeah.
at 1:30. You know what I think? Okay, Seth Rotman.
Yeah, come on. North Gravel, Your Honor. North Gravel. Go ahead and sit on that.
Stand by one moment, Mr. Rotman. Hold on. Okay, Mr. Rotman, earlier today I explained to you your right to remain silent. You didn't have to say anything. Do you remember me explaining that to you, sir?
I didn't hear it.
Okay, I'll do it again. You have the right to remain silent today. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Everything today is being recorded. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You only need to say something if I ask you a question. Are you clear about that?
Yes.
The best thing for you to do is just stand by and listen. All right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you were charged with 1 count of sexual assault, where you were over 18 years old and the victim was less than 12. Now,
Him not being represented, can I just inquire if he wants our services?
let me ask him. Sir, let me ask you a couple questions only having to do with your finances. Are you currently employed?
I just started a job, but I don't think that I'm going to be able to continue with the job
Okay.
since I haven't been there.
What type of work is that?
Telemarketing.
Now, do you have any money in the bank?
Not much.
How much is not much?
Only about $100.
Do you have any financial accounts other than a bank account, a stock account or financial investment account, anything like that where you have money?
No. I have retained an attorney that my family will be helping me with. Mike Glasser and Eric Rudenberg.
Okay, here's the thing. I think that right now there's a little bit of a gray area on whether they're going to be representing you or not. If you would like, I can reset this matter for tomorrow afternoon at the same time. And between now and then, you can talk to your family and have them talk to the attorneys and try to iron that out, all right?
I haven't been able to get the phones working here at the jail.
Oh, well, I'll take care of that. But that's what I think we're going to do. But in the meantime, we're going to take testimony from the detective, all right? Now, I'm going to go off for a moment. I'll be right back. Sir, have you had access to the telephone? Has anybody been able to let you use the telephone?
I've tried to use it, but I haven't been able to call out at all. It keeps on.
What seems to be the problem?
I guess there has to be money deposited on the other person's end or something. And I haven't been able to reach my family because I don't know my mother's
phone number off the top of my head because I had all my phone numbers programmed in my cell phone.
I got it. Hold on.
My attorney has my mother's number.
I know. We're going to reset this matter for 1:30 tomorrow. So let me advise you, and I don't usually do this, but for you I will because you're kind of in limbo when it comes to representation. So I'm going to tell you something. Whatever you say over the telephone is being recorded. All right?
Okay.
You understand
Yeah,
that?
I understand that. Yes.
So if you talk about this case over the telephone, there's going to be a police officer listening in, all right? There you go.
Yes,
Thank
I
you.
understand.
Yes, sir.
You want him back tomorrow at 1:30, Judge Hurley?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I'll let him know.
All right.
All right, come on, you're done.
Okay. Okay. Now, other than the municipal ordinance cases at main jail, who do you have, sir?
Judge, we have two Spanish.
Got
One
that.
of them is a 30-day motion, and I have one second look.
Who's your second look?
Judge, it is Donald Phelps.
Okay.
Donald, come on. It's on a second look, leaving the scene of a crash, attaching his license plate, no valid DL, and looks like a driving on a suspended.
Okay.
Over there. She probably got in a bit of education. She looking at the feet. I started kicking on the door.
I'm gonna go do the head stop.
I didn't start kicking on the door. I didn't see it. Real big. If you want to the one with the braids, yeah.
I remember this defendant's out on a no charge license out of Miami.
Put your arm through the shirt while you walk.
I believe your bond word is. Thank you, Mr. Phelps.
Good luck.
To division.
What are you saying? It's going to pass it through to your division.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Phelps? Mr. Phelps? Down to there. Go wait in the hall.
Thank you.
Everybody going to hell. I said, you be the first one to everybody.
Okay. How about, just be a quick moment. Okay, the following people can be released on their own recognizance. Where's Nicola Bandel? Ma'am, you're released on your own recognizance. Thank you. How about Forrest Hope?
She's not going anywhere.
Forrest Hope?
Copy, Your Honor.
Sheila?
You'll be released
Hey, it's
on your own recognizance, Mr.
Hey, I
Hope.
gotta let
Thank
you
you.
know on
How about Johnson
Alvarez,
DeReese?
he's gonna be our reward anyways, because nobody's got any paperwork.
You're Johnson Dupree?
Justin Dupree.
Justin Dupree, you're going to be released on your own recognizance. Thank you. Johnson DeReese.
That's very different.
That's Paul Rogers.
You ain't hitting that down.
So you're going to be released on your own recognizance, Johnson DeReese. Thank you.
Go back.
What about Jerry Holston? Do we know about that?
Jerry Holston filed.
Wow.
Sorry?
You're asking all the questions, aren't
My head bald, I was looking better. She said, you know, this is 30 days worth of stuff right here.
Get you another side.
Let's see Jerry Holston, please.
Okay.
Jerry Holston.
Sir. Ready.
Mr. Holston, sir, I'm looking on the court computer here. It says that the state of Florida filed a formal charge on you January 19, 2016. The state of Florida versus Jerry Jerome Holston. Where's Mr. Holston? So they filed a formal charge on you. Count 1, burglary with structure 2, petty theft. And it looks like it's sworn to by Alex Urella, State Attorney's Office, January 19, 2016. Do you have any issues with this?
No, Judge.
Mr. Holston, today the court's going to deny the motion to release you on your own recognizance. All bond and release conditions shall remain in full force and effect. Thank you, sir. What about, took care of Holston. We still have to deal with Jose Alvarez, Matthew Everett.
Everett we handle with private counsel.
Who?
Everett we handle with private counsel.
Okay.
First case in the docket.
That's right. What about Joe Martinez and Alvarez?
Joe Martinez, I don't know why he's on the docket. His probation was reinstated. He's out of custody. Alvarez, if we could just, I guess, put to the end of the docket, and I'll have an answer by then.
He's at the concierge, Your Honor. Alvarez.
Okay, Alvarez, stand by a moment. Thank you.
Yes, yes,
Not
sir.
up.
Just have a seat.
Got our interpreter. Miguel Paz on the misdemeanor docket was a 30-day also.
Main jail.
What's going on with Miguel Paz?
We're declining charges, Your Honor. He's entitled to a release.
Okay. Sir, do you want to step forward?
Yes, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm to translate from English to Spanish, to the best of your ability.
I do, Your Honor. Give us an con el interpreter.
Now, Mr. Paz.
Your Honor?
Yeah.
The jail's already received our paperwork, so they've already processed it. He's not being held on these charges anymore. He is going to be held on a VOP and an immigration hold down.
Señor, ya recibió la cárcel los papeles nuestros. No va a estar detenido por estos cargos, pero sí va a estar detenido por una violación de probatoria.
Okay, sir, thank you very much.
Señor, muchas gracias.
Your mic's off.
Can we turn on the mic over there?
Judge, will you allow me here? Mr. Interpreter, can you explain to him that the state is dropping the charges on the new battery charge?
La fiscalía está retirando o tumbando el cargo de lesiones. El Estado de la
But
Florida.
you're still being held by the violation of probation.
Pero aún va a ser detenido a raíz de la violación de probatoria.
And there is still the immigration hold.
Y aún existe el pedido de detención por parte de la inmigración.
¿Tienes preguntas?
Pues no, es okay, está bien.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Judge, you don't want to take
Thank you,
any
Mr.
action, do you?
Interpreter.
You're welcome, sir.
I have one more Spanish from this morning, Judge. Señor, por favor. Judge, it is Bruno Podolsky on page 15 of the morning docket.
Okay. Mr. Podolsky, you're charged with possessing heroin, cocaine, and paraphernalia.
Señor Podolsky es acusado de posesión de heroína, de cocaína y adminículos para el consumo.
The court finds probable cause.
Dictamina el tribunal que existe motivo fundado.
I understand you have no criminal record.
Entiendo que usted no tiene antecedentes penales.
Sir, how long have you lived in South Florida?
Señor, ¿cuánto tiempo ha vivido en el sur de la Florida?
3 months. 3 meses.
3 months.
Okay, where are you from? Where did you come from?
¿De dónde es usted? ¿De dónde vino?
De México, de México.
México.
Well, what was the purpose of you coming here?
¿Cuál fue la razón de su venida aquí a este país?
Okay, fue por turismo y negocio.
Tourism and business.
Okay, now, do you have any money in the bank?
¿Tiene dinero en el banco?
En el banco no, en este momento no.
In the bank at this time, no.
Do you have family here in South Florida?
¿Tiene familia aquí en el sur de la Florida?
Sí, tengo un familiar.
I have one relative.
And do you own any land or property here in South Florida?
Aquí en el sur de la Florida, ¿es dueño de alguna propiedad o tierra?
No, vivo,
No.
Vivo aparte.
Do you go to work right now? Do you have any job? Do you have any business?
¿Usted va a trabajar aquí? ¿Tiene algún empleo? ¿Tiene algún negocio pendiente aquí?
No, porque yo iba a regresar para el 25 de marzo a mi país.
No, because I was going to return to my country.
When do you plan on returning to your country?
¿Cuándo tiene planeado regresar a su país?
El 25 de marzo.
March 25th.
Okay. And do you have a local address?
¿Tiene una dirección local?
Sí tengo un lugar donde estoy viviendo, pero no recuerdo la dirección porque es difícil para mí comprender las direcciones.
Yes, I do have a place where I'm living here, but I don't recall the address because it's difficult for me to remember the addresses here.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long have you been staying at that address?
¿Cuánto tiempo se ha estado quedando en esa dirección de la cual usted habla?
De la que yo estoy hablando, un mes, 1 month.
The one I'm talking about, 1 month. 1 month.
Sir, based on what appears to be your lack of ties to the community, the court is going to set your bond at $2,000 total, release you on your own recognizance on count 3, and the court does note that you allegedly did you're telling me today you have an address, but allegedly, I believe, let me look here. Okay, maybe that was different police report. And the court's just concerned that your stay here locally is tenuous. The police said they found you in back of a warehouse with cocaine and heroin, and in back of an abandoned building at 2 o'clock in the morning. So,
Señor, a raíz de que no tiene vínculos a la comunidad,
while you're in custody, would you like to have some drug treatment?
ya que no tiene vínculos y su fianza va a ser fijada en $2,000 y por el tercer cargo va a ser bajo palabra, tomando nota que su estadía aquí es tenue y que la policía lo encontró detrás de un edificio abandonado con posesión de cocaína o heroína. Mientras que usted se encuentre detenido, el juez le pregunta si le interesa tomar algún tipo de curso por drogadicción.
Sí, okay.
I'm going to order this defendant go into the substance abuse program. All right, sir, I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Podolsky.
Voy a ordenar que entre al programa de abuso de drogas y le deseo la mejor de la suerte, señor Podolsky.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Podolsky. No, you first, Judge.
I need to make a...
I know. Judge, we need a phone order for Mr. Podolsky, please.
Okay, anything else from the defense?
¿Algo más de la defensa?
¿Tienes preguntas?
Ya, tengo una pregunta. Si yo puedo usar mi teléfono que me quitaron al momento de entrar para poder sacar un número telefónico de mi familiar aquí en este estado
If I
de
could use
Florida.
the phone that they took away from me so that I could get the phone number of the relative that I have here.
I will allow the defendant, could somebody fill out that,
Yo voy a permitir que el imputado recupere, si alguien puede aquí en la oficina llenar una orden judicial para eso.
phone or go to the cell phone? Sir, do you know the telephone number right now for your relative? I can call them for you.
Señor, si usted sabe ahora mismo el número de su pariente, el juez puede llamarlo para usted.
Es que lo tengo en mi celular.
I have it on my cell phone.
Okay, so
No lo recuerdo.
I don't remember it.
I'm gonna allow them to let you look at your phone to get that telephone number.
El juez le va a permitir a ellos que le den a usted acceso a su teléfono para que pueda mirar y buscar ese número de teléfono.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Gracias, señor.
Thank you very much. ¿Ya está?
I don't know that we have any other speakers. Yeah, Eric Zabala. Eric Zabala.
Stand there. Wait for the judge to call you.
Eric Zabala. Eric Zabala, where are you, sir? Did he bond from this morning? Zabala?
Did you bring him down? Second look guy? I mean, no.
He getting one wrong.
We are awarded. No.
Yeah. They ain't have no paperwork. They already they didn't wait to
Zavala, page 12.
I'm gonna find probable cause reset Zabala for Wednesday PM docket, all right? No, that's for Sentinel. Okay, looks like that's it, thank you.
And you can go back to,
You take care of Mr. Mullins. Sure, I'm gonna appoint Mr. McLawrence to represent you. I'm gonna say.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna set your bond at $100, and I'm going to reset this matter for tomorrow morning. All right, sir? So
Yes,
can
sir.
we have this Wednesday morning, Wednesday AM? There you go. Okay, may I see,
you can go back to Alvarez.
we just tell Bruce Dunn, I'm gonna send you to the division. I'm gonna send, Jeffrey Mullins to his division. And I'm gonna send Trent Sims to his division. All right? Now,
What? Did he say your name?
It's been,
Bruce Dunn.
Go ahead.
Bruce. Sir, I sent you to your division judge, all right? Thank you.
Okay.
Alvarez has been filed. It's on Odyssey.
Okay.
I don't know. He's sent you through the division. We're done at the main, may I be excused?
Thank you. Jose Alvarez.
Yes, sir.
Conti.
Hi, Mr. Alvarez. You're charged with,
Hi.
let me look here. You were charged with a third-degree felony grand theft. And
Yes, sir.
It does appear that it was filed for a theft from TJ Maxx.
Yes, sir.
And it looks like,
It's really not.
let's see. Looks like January, looks like Sheila Lynn filed it, but I don't see the date she did it on there.
Your Honor, it should say if you. Yeah.
Okay, so, any issues from the defense?
I gotta call Chris.
No, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Alvarez, the motion to release you ROR, will be denied today. All previously set bond and release conditions shall remain in full force and effect. Thank you.
I ain't going nowhere, huh?
Not today, sir. Thank you. Okay, so how are we doing here so far? Is that it? Did we call Carl Malone yet?
Mailman.
Did we call
Call it to your honor.
Carl Malone?
Hey, it's Eric. Hey, do you handle the
Mr. Malone,
executive assignment
you're
stuff
here
now?
for theft. How come you haven't bonded out
George
yet, sir?
Nooner on his
I don't have any money, sir.
No?
the domestic violence case, felony, because it doesn't show in honesty that there was ever an executive assignment done on it. No. Oh, now I gotta find it on the computer. Oh, that is, okay, I got it. 1515957 CF10A. But do we know if the governor ordered it? And the side. Well, here's what's going on. The defense filed a motion for release because the information hasn't been filed.
I set the defendant's bond on this case.
So
Oh, he's got it out.
whoever's got it, if they're gonna.
That's what's holding you back. So I'm gonna send this to your division judge, because, are you on probation in another state, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this will go to your
Okay,
division.
and
Thank you, sir.
if you instruct them, you'll be able to explain to them that they.
Okay, how about Glenn Eversbach?
Come,
Glenn. Yeah, tomorrow afternoon. Okay, cool.
Conti? Comfortable with talking to them, right?
Hey, Mr. Eversbach.
Good evening, Your Honor.
Okay, let me look here. Okay, so this came in through Judge Cohen. He had a warrant on a misdemeanor, and,
Wait, who's this?
Right away. He had a warrant on a battery. What happened to the battery case, sir?
Disposed of, sir.
Okay. Then, we look here. Standing on West Atlantic Boulevard holding a cardboard sign. Wait for traffic, starting there. All right, how long you been in jail now?
Be 14 days Thursday.
Okay, would you like to resolve the soliciting on a public right away today?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Okay, sir, if you plead no contest, we're not gonna have a trial, you're not gonna have your day in court. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, sir, how do you plead to this charge?
No contest.
Okay, Mr. Eversbach, I'll accept that. Mr. Eversbach, I want you to know you're not allowed to solicit in or around traffic with a sign or a cup or anything like that. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't want to see you get hit by a car. And it's
Yes,
a
sir.
safety issue, all right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good luck. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Go with it. He's gonna.
Okay, so we took care of that. Looks like we're all wrapped up. Am I correct? Anybody else over there? All lines clear. Conti's clear. Everybody's clear. That's good. Okay, everyone. Thank you very much. Sent to division. Okay, everyone, thank you very much, and good luck. Thank you, Mr. Oxall. See you tomorrow. Thank you. It's a wrap. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Bright and early at 8:30 in the morning. Wrap at 2:35.
Yeah, Jeffrey came in and